Hi everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week's tip is about following up. You send your email pitch in, and then what do? You wait and you wonder, or you pick up the phone and call. Super important to follow up with a phone call. I would say 90% of my media success and those of my students and my clients is that follow-up phone call. And I've heard it from a journalist. Oh my gosh, you sent that pitch in. I loved it. I flagged it, and then I got 500 emails. So they lost it. So what I always recommend to do is send the email, follow up with a phone call, even if you have to leave a message, and then follow up with another follow-up email. Here's the pitch again, I left you a message. And then if they don't respond, we just move on to the next month. Not that big of a deal, but remember how important the phone is in that conversation. And so few people are doing it, you will definitely stand out in the crowd. So that's this week's PR tip. If you'd like more, please join our free PR challenge at www.yourprchallenge.com. I'll work with you for 10 days to help your business get massive visibility. See you there.